Kuringana na Kamitii no na iria ratongoragio ni Aaron Rigera gwa kahinda ka mieri 6 maugite he bata FKF makorwo makiongerera mbitika cia mbeu njithi gukuruhania atumia thiini wa rigi citiganite ta NSL oro undu umwe na rigi ya division ya keri. Ningi Kamitii no niyendekithĩtie rigi nene ya guku bururi-ini icokerio kambuni kiumbe kumitongoria mugaru na uria FKF makoretwo magitongoria guku ikiendekithia ministry ya mathako nyitanĩri na FKF makorwo magicagura director wa mubira wa maguru.
I would give this committee 85%. The only aspect of its mandate it did not fulfill is validation of the draft constitution and the consequential elections of FKF. Everything else, A, plain A. Thank you.
Na kuona uhuthiri moru wa kigina niguo acungiririe minister wa mathako Ambassador Amina Mohamed guteaniria ruhonge rwa FKF. Riu ruhonge ruru ni ruritio gukorwo na waragania wa kibeca ni beca cigana maraheo ni ruhonge rwa FIFA aigithio ro undu mwe na thirikari na uria beca icio cirahuthika.
The matches have been played. Referees have all been paid. Players have all been paid. Nobody has complained. Right? The amount of money that we were giving at FIFA was giving before, right, and that was being also collected, during matches, was so much more than that in a 6-month period.
Thutha wa maya mothe CS Amina augite ni makaruta riboti kana ga kiumia giki uria mubira wa Kenya gukorwo gitwarithio na mbere ani thutha wa kwaraniria na President Uhuru Kenyatta oro ndumwe na nyiti itemi mubira-ini.
Information is available, facts are there, nobody can argue with them, right? And so next time you want to know how much it is, ask. Yeah, I think it's also terrible that you speculate and then we get put under a lot of pressure for monies that actually we did not give anybody and monies that are not spent by anybody.
Hadini ha Kameme TV jitagwo kuria wa Gishimu.